In this video, we're going to give you a quick rundown of the new S2's features to help you get up and running fast. This video will also help you get the most out of your new noise-canceling headphones. Also, keep in mind, when you buy from Audio Advice, you get free shipping, lifetime support, and our price guarantee. You'll also receive more exclusive full written tips and tricks setup guides and how-to videos just like this one to get you up and running in no time. Now, with that said, let's not waste any time. Let's dive in and get started. Okay, let's talk about what's inside the box. Now, Bowers Wilkins bundles a nice headphone case to help you protect your investment while you're on the go. The new soft shell travel case has been redesigned to accommodate the Px7's new form and shape. And let's take a quick look at that right now. Now, inside the case, you do have the Bowers Wilkins noise canceling headphones that we're going to set to the side right here. And inside this little flap, it's actually magnetic, which I really like because it makes it very easy and it just shuts like this. Now inside the flap is your USB-C to stereo mini plug connection. There is a USB-C port for charging the headphones that you can see right here, and the indicator LED will glow amber to show you that it's time to charge. It's important to note Bowers Wilkins is one of the few who make the USB-C port capable of both charging the unit and also passing high-res audio through the wired connection. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is the new Bowers Wilkins Music App. The first thing we're going to tell you is that you will need to download the correct app to your phone before connecting up your headphones. Now, the Px7 S2 will still connect to your Bluetooth source without the app, but if you want to adjust noise canceling and ambient pass-through modes, then having the app installed will unlock all of the Px7 S2's coolest features. Now, the Bowers Wilkins Music App is the same app that also integrates with B&W's newest products, such as the B&W Panorama 3 Dolby Atmos soundbar and the new B&W Zeppelin high-res wireless speaker system, which is nice so that you have all of B&W's products integrated with a single app instead of being spread across multiple apps that you had to install for each product. Now, getting started, if you download the correct Bowers Wilkins Music App, it will walk you through connecting to the headphones, naming the headphones, and then configuring your basic settings. Go ahead and enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and open up the Bowers Wilkins Music App. When the app prompts you to grant access for it to find and connect with other devices on your local network, go ahead and allow it. All right, next, you want to make sure your phone and the headphones are within range and that the Px7 S2 are actually powered on. The app will then prompt you to slide the power button, putting it into setup mode. Now let's go ahead and locate the power button. It's actually a toggle switch that's located on the right ear cup. And it looks just like that. It's marked with the Bluetooth symbol, and when you flick it up just like that, it'll go ahead, you'll hear a quick chime, and it'll also immediately activate Bluetooth pairing mode as well for you. There's also an indicator LED that flashes or illuminates a solid white light to let you know the status of the Bluetooth connection and also the battery. Okay, next thing we're going to talk about is navigating the B&W Px7 S2's controls. Now, we find it's easiest to scroll through noise canceling settings by pressing the button one by one to toggle through individual settings. There's a quick action button on the left earpiece, and it cycles through noise canceling, pass-through mode, and passive noise isolation. And I'm just going to show this to the camera real quick so that you can see what this is. We've got the left ear cup right here, and I'm just going to zoom in on that button right there. That's the one that one press or a second press or a third press will activate or deactivate some of the noise canceling features that can be controlled within the music app that we'll cover in just a moment. Now, this can also be customized to trigger the voice assistant on your phone as well. Now, if you didn't do that during the initial setup, you can do that after the fact later. I'm going to show you how to do that. To change the behavior of the quick action button, go to the main dashboard of the app, which is right here. Now, scroll down to where it says quick action, and then tap on environmental control. From here, select Voice Assistant from the drop-down menu if that's your preference. Now on the right earpiece, there's an easy to find ribbed button to control the playback between dedicated buttons for raising and lowering the volume. And you'll find it right there. It's in between the volume up and the volume down button. And I like the ribbed texture because it makes it very easy to find it when you're wearing the headphones. Now the ribbed button is your multifunction button. And I'm going to show you real quick how to use that. You press the multifunction button once to pause or resume the playback of your music, and press the multifunction button twice quickly to skip to the next track. Now press the multifunction button 3 times in quick succession to play the previous track. Next, I'm going to show you how to take or decline a phone call. When an incoming call does come in, you just press the multifunction button once to accept the call. Now when an incoming call comes in, hold the multifunction button for 2 seconds to decline the call. Now when you're ready to end the call, just press the multifunction button once to end the call and you're done. Now the next thing we're going to talk about is activating the wear sensor. In terms of preferred settings, when you go into the app, the next thing we would recommend is toggling on the wear sensor feature. This is disabled by default, but we find it to be really useful. The next thing to do is to check which sensitivity you prefer. There's low, normal, and high. Now, I do prefer to leave mine on high. I like it to be extra sensitive. That way, when it detects that the headphones are not on my head and that I'm not wearing them, it will do a better job in real time of pausing the music for me, and I do prefer that. Now, let's talk about the standby feature, which is right above where you saw wear sensor. The standby timer can also be turned on or off in the app. After about 15 minutes, your Px7 S2s will power off automatically. This also works with music, so whenever you remove the headphones, the Px7 pauses the music for you. And we think once you experience wear detection, you'll never want to go back to headphones without it. Finally, to see your EQ tone controls, go to the main dashboard in the app, and you will see 2 sliders that will let you adjust treble and bass. Now, the 2-band EQ is pretty basic, but it's really nice to see that you can finally dial in a little more bottom end weight, or a little more treble, or a little less treble to taste. All right, that wraps up our Px7 S2 tips and tricks video. I hope this quick tutorial has given you some insight into the new S2 and how easy it is to use. To learn more about it, be sure to check out our full review. And if you're thinking about updating your on-the-go music setup, be sure to check out audioadvice.com, where you'll find more tips and tricks videos just like this one, product comparisons, and our blog where you can browse through all of our reviews. We offer free shipping, a price guarantee, and lifetime support on any products you purchase from Audio Advice. If you have any questions about the new Px7 S2 and you want more info, be sure to give us a call, chat with us, or just stop into one of our award-winning showrooms and hear them for yourself. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss the latest home audio and home theater content. We'll see you next time.